Hi, in this series we look at a few Microsoft Excel tips and tricks that can be incorporated in your daily work to increase productivity. In this video, we'll teach you the split feature that is available in Microsoft Excel. Many times in our work, we received some raw data where you want to convert that into different columns and put them into different columns. So in this example, I have two rows, just a simple example, where I have comma as the delimiter. So by delimiter, what I mean is any repeating symbol that separates your data. So in this case, comma separates my 3 texts in the first row and 2 texts in the second row. So a delimiter can be any symbol. The most common delimiters are comma, tab, semicolon, space, and so on. So now, if you want to split this and put the data into separate columns, the best way would be to go to the Data tab in Excel, and under Data Tools, there's a feature called Text to Columns. So if you hover over that feature, Excel quickly gives you a simple help text that you can read through. Feel free to read through that to get some more information on this, but I'll go ahead and click on that. So with Excel, it supports two types of text to column conversions. One is delimited. So as I explained before, you can select a delimiter and then split the data into multiple columns. You can also do fixed width separation, where if your data has similar lengths and it is, say, your data, each data has 5 characters and you want to split them into multiple columns, you would select fixed width and split them into 5 words, 5-letter words each. But in our case, since we have comma, I'll go with delimited option. So select that, click on next. So with delimiters, like I said before, Excel shows you all the default delimiters, tab, semicolon, comma. In our case, the delimiter is comma, so I'll select that. And as soon as I select that, you see that Excel shows you how the data would be split for your example. So next, in the other field, you can also include any other delimiters you might have that is not part of this list. For example, if your data has asterisk as a delimiter, you can add that and Excel will split it for you. So once you select the delimiter, click on next and then finish. So if you notice, the field that was selected got split into 2 fields. So just to show you a different delimiter, I'll put an asterisk. Go back to my text to column functionality, keep delimited as the option. So notice the field here where asterisk is separating my data. Select that and it automatically notices that and then splits it into 2 fields. So also notice that the delimiter is taken away by default, and now you only have your clean text available. So this is really helpful when you have thousands of data where you can select the whole column and split them into multiple columns. Just make sure you have the following columns empty, because it might end up replacing, if any data is available in the next column, it might replace that. So just be careful when you don't want to lose your data. So that's all I had for split. Thank you.
Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.